Hello everybody, welcome back to Micah's Coding class. Today we're going to continue the course on Space Invaders, the game. So let's continue. So this is where we stopped the last time in the last video. And now we're going to say documents dot add event listener key down. I'm gonna say move shooter, the function we created in the last video. That's it. So now I'm gonna create another function. Function move invader const left edge equal to AI, another function we created in the last video. Right over here, AI, const AI. It's not function, it's const. Sorry for my mistake. AI 0 modulo width equal to 0. So now we're gonna say const right edge equal to AI, const AI. So after that we're gonna say inside that we're gonna say AI dot length -1 modulo width equal to width -1. And then we're gonna call in the function called remove. So right below that we're gonna put an if statement. If right edge and going right is not true, and then we're gonna say for let's I equal to 0, I and I less than AI dot length and I plus plus. So let's call in the code for that. Let's go down. So now I'm gonna say AI plus equal width +1, direction equal to 1, and also the last thing, going right equal to false. And another thing we need to pull out another if statement. If left edge and going right is not true. For let I equal to 0 and I less than AI dot length and I plus plus. And we're gonna call in the following code. We're gonna say AI I plus equal to width minus 1. I'm gonna say direction equal to 1, going right equal to true. So now outside that last if statement, we're gonna create a for statement for let I equal 0, I less than AI dot length I plus plus. Let's call some code for that. We're gonna say AI I plus equal direction, and that's it. Below here, we're gonna call the function draw. And right below that, we're gonna say if circle CSI so CSI dot class list dot contains invaders and shooter. So we're gonna say rd dot inner HTML equal to game over, and clear interval invaders ID. So right below here, I'm gonna say for let I equal to 0 and I less than AI and I plus plus. So let's set some code for that. Inside that for, we're gonna say if AI I greater than circles dot circle dot circles dot length and we're gonna set the following code for that. rd dot inner html equal to and then we're gonna say game over, or you can set it to you lose, whichever one you prefer. We're gonna say clear interval invaders ID. So right below here, we're gonna say if alien remove dot length equal to AI dot length, then we're gonna say rd dot inner html equal to you win. So now we're gonna say clear interval invaders ID. And that should be it for move invader. And so now we're gonna go down and create another function shoots E let's laser ID. We're gonna leave it blank, and then we're gonna say let's CSI equal to CSI. So now we're gonna say function move laser and then we're going to say circles CSI dot class list dot add laser. So now I'm gonna say if circles CSI dot class list dot add laser. Sorry guys, this is supposed to be dot remove laser. Remove laser, and this is a mistake, so we're gonna say here we're gonna say CSI minus equal to width, and then circles CSI CLI okay, I think we made a mistake here, guys. This is supposed to be CLI equal to CSI, and this is also supposed to be CLI dot class list dot add laser. So now we're gonna create that if function. If circles CSI dot class list dot contains invader, and then we're gonna set the following code. So we're gonna say circles CLI, also here let me CLI dot class list dot remove laser. So now we're gonna say circles CLI dot class list dot remove invader, and we're gonna say circles CLI dot class list dot add bomb, and we're gonna say set time out, set time out C then we're gonna say circles CLI So guys, we made an error here. It's supposed to be like this. So I'm gonna copy this. And paste it over here. So now we're gonna say dot class list dot remove bomb in 300 milliseconds, and then we're gonna say and then we're gonna say clear interval laser ID. So guys, this is not supposed to be time, it's supposed to be timeout. So that should be working now. So now we're gonna say const alien remove equal to AI dot index of CLI, and we're gonna say alien remove equal to AI dot push alien removed, and then we're gonna say results plus plus, and now we're gonna say RD dot inner HTML equal to results, and then that's the end of this if statement. So guys, we're almost done here. We're gonna say switch e dot key, and then we're gonna say case arrow up break right at the bottom. Let's say laser ID equal to set interval, and that'll be move laser 100 milliseconds. And last thing we're gonna say is document dot get element by dot add event listener, and then we're gonna set key down. Then we're gonna put a comma, shoot. So if we save that, move back in and refresh. So guys, refresh, and now our game is working. And the last thing we need to do is set a button, so this start button can be useful. So let's go back to our file here. So we're gonna go to the bottom, to the top. We're gonna say document dot get element by ID, and then we're gonna call this start dot on click equal to function, and then we're gonna close this function right at the bottom over here. So if we save, back here and refresh, the game is now working. To hit the start button, and that's the end of this video, guys. So I hope you like, subscribe, try to do more of these on your own, and hit the notification bell so if I post any videos, you'll be the first to know. My name is Micah, and this was Micah's coding class. Thank you.